Welcome back, guys, to the channel. I have a new strategy for you. So let's not waste any more time. Let's hop on to the setup for the day and start trading. Okay, we're going to hold on for the setup for the day. These are the currency pairs we're going to use. As you can see, these are the ones I've chosen. Okay. Cryptocurrency is going to use Dogecoin, go up to Bitcoin, Ethereum OTC, Brent oil OTC, for commodities. We're going to change the candles to S10, which is 10 seconds. Indicator is going to awesome Bollinger and envelopes today. Going to end up edit the envelope period. Going to go down to 5. The deviation, I'm not going to touch it. Moving average. The source, we're going to put open. Styles is just the color. You can change it if you like it. If you don't, you can keep it to what, you prefer. The period, we're going down to 1. Period long, going to 40. This is the colors we're going to use. Blue and purple. Bollinger bands. Bandwidth, we're going to just change it. Deviation 2.1. There you go, style. I'm going to choose red for this color. So that's basically the setup for the day. So let's head into the first trade of the day. Okay, let's hop on to the first trade for the day. So we're going to go with $200 and up. So I think the market right now, as you can see, is an uprising. It's going up. So I did some analysis and I've seen how the market has been moving today, and I feel like it's going to stay up. It's going to be above the line of the point at which we decided the trade. So yeah, all you have to see right now is wait and see. But I do trust my analysis, and at the moment all I'm expecting is nothing but the W, the win. And after that we get our profit of $184 in the bank. Move on to our next trade, go on like we always do all the time here. And yeah, that's basically what it is. I'm confident with my decision. Yeah, you can see there the candle is going down, but I'm not really fearful because we only have like 5 seconds left until we win the trade and move on like we always do. So yeah, let's just wait. There we go, $384. That's plus a profit of $184. So let's move on to the next trade, guys. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next trade of the day. It's the OTC we're going to use. We're going to go with $300 on up. Yeah, you can see the market before I decided to place a trade. You can see how the market is moving. I'll explain to you basically because I can't really go into detail, but the market was going up and down. It was infatuating. Buyers were buying, sellers were selling at the same time. So the market was, was an up and down movement. So at the moment now it's kind of stabilizing. I do feel like I'm safe, and I trust my decision that it's going to go on the uprise, and it's going to be at least above the line that I started my trade at. So yeah, there's nothing really to worry about. I think everything is good at the moment. The market's looking good. The indicators are showing or are indicating that everything is good at the moment. So we only have 5 seconds left until we move on and, see what more trading has to give for us today. There we go, $576 in the bank. Let's move on to the next trade and keep, moving with progress, guys. Okay, guys, let's move on to the next trade of the day. I've zoomed out so you can see the market. We're going to go with $500 and down. Usually, in my previous videos, I don't really go with a large amount as like $500 on my third trade, because I'm usually trying to see how the market is going and see you analyzing. But at the moment, I'm confident, and I can really tell you that the market is going to go in our favor, and I really understand how the market is moving at the moment. I've dealt with this type of market pattern. The market isn't always similar, but you get similar patterns sometimes that you can understand if you've been doing this for a long time. I've been doing this for a long time. 5 years is too long, and you can have children in that time. And I really have come accustomed to the market, and you can see at the moment the market's moving very well. We're way below the starting point. With only 5 seconds left, the market can turn on us, guys. So let's wait. There we go. $960. Easy money. Let's move on to the next trade, guys. So guys, we're going to use Brent OTC. We're going to put $900. As you can see, let's go with up for this one. Yeah, the market is moving kind of tricky. I can't lie to you. It's really hard, it's kind of hard to analyze and go with this decision. I am confident in this decision. Not my most confident time, making this decision. But, this is trading. It goes how it goes. You win some, you lose some. But, it's looking good at the moment. I can't really complain. But I won't lie to you, it was hard to, come to this decision. And, to understand this market is kind of tricky, but it's kind of similar to one that I have dealt with before. But I wasn't really sure how to deal with this one at this time. But I think the decision is correct. You can see the market keeps going up and up, and I think we got it. We have like just 5 seconds left, and we get the bag and move on, guys. There, $1,692. Let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving. So, guys, let's move on to the final and last trade for the day. So we can call it a day. So we're going to go with $1,200. We're going to go up. My prediction for this trade, even just looking at my indicators, I feel like, I know that it's going to go up. Reading my indicators, you can see the envelope lines are showing an upward movement. So yeah, basically, guys, you got to look at your indicators, trust them with your life, trust them more than you trust your friends, because these are the things that are going to make you money. If you want to become friends with someone, you don't have any friends, become friends with your indicators, they're going to take you far places. So yeah, my indicators help me. I trust them. I look at them, I analyze them, analyze the market, see what's going on, try and remember if I've dealt with such a market before. If I have, well and good, then I know how to deal with it. Especially the ones which I maybe lost at in the past. Those are the best to meet because I know what to do now. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is how it is. So when you have 2 seconds, there we go. $2,304 in the bank. That was very good, guys. So that was a good trading session, guys. If you liked it, put a thumbs up for the video. Subscribe for those who are new or who are old but want to subscribe. If you want to learn more, put a link down in the description and go to our Telegram channel and text me. See you in the next video, guys.